Welcome everyone and thank you for considering our course. Lean and Six Sigma are two separate but tightly connected methodologies. Across the business world, both Lean and Six Sigma professionals are in high demand and earn excellent income. Convince yourself and just browse any kind of job vacancy website. Why this high demand? Well, both are decades-old proven methodologies that help to slash costs, improve efficiency and consistency time and time again. Basically, they boost profit. Lean and Six Sigma are used in every sector you can think of: IT, banking, the military, the restaurant business, manufacturing, education, healthcare, it doesn't matter. In each sector, it is applied. Here at Six Sigma Academy Amsterdam, we offer you the full Lean and Six Sigma experience, from beginner all the way to a Lean Six Sigma black belt level. The proposed path is that you start with our Lean Manufacturing and Services course and subsequently enroll in our Six Sigma White Belt course, continue to the Six Sigma Green Belt course, and finally finish the journey by finishing the Six Sigma Black Belt course. At the end of the journey, you master the material at a Lean Six Sigma Black Belt level. We promise you several things, and if you feel like we have not kept that promise, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Promise number 1, we keep things concise. This course has been designed by 9 Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belts, all with extensive experience as lecturers at Dutch or British universities. With decades of experience, we know which examples work and which ones do not work. We use the best ones, which ensures that concepts are understood fast. Instead of hours of poor explanation, we know how to explain it in mere minutes. As such, we keep it efficient and respect your time. Promise number 2, we keep things practical. This course has been designed by people who have applied these concepts in practice for decades. As such, we know what is used in practice and what is not. Now, we cut away the non-practical parts and focus on the practical parts that you actually use in real life. Promise number 3, we keep it fun. We're not just reading slides like a 1950s robot. This is not what we believe in. It's supposed to be interesting and with stories and practical examples from companies, like the fast food restaurants, the military, toy manufacturers, hospitals, airports, and even the video game industry. We do our best to keep you interested and engaged. At the end of each course, you obtain a certificate of completion which mentions both Udemy and the Six Sigma Academy Amsterdam. Finally, we are extremely happy that we have trained almost 20,000 students in 146 countries. And here are some of the things that our students had to say about our courses. This being said, I hope you will consider our courses, and we hope to be able to contribute to your development. Thank you and have a great day.